Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best tire repair kits. Almost everyone who regularly drives cars has experienced a flat tire or two. This leaves you with two options: throwing in a spare or calling a tow truck. But what if you didn't have the time and luxury of doing either? That's where tire repair kits come to the rescue. We understand the importance of being prepared for these unexpected mishaps, which is why we're here to introduce you to the finest tire repair kits on the market. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth tire repair kit in our list is the CKAuto Universal Tire Repair Kit, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com is awarded a 4-batch rating. First of all, let's dive into why this minimalist universal tire repair kit stands out. It's not only compact and easy to carry, but also comes with a zip case that keeps everything neatly organized using heavy-duty elastic straps. When it comes to fixing a basic puncture in your tire, this kit has it covered. It includes 24-inch plugs that effectively seal the hole. To facilitate the process, they've even included a jar of lubricant for easy access to the puncture. Ensuring a seamless installation, the set provides a boring tool that cleans the hole before inserting the plug, along with a T-handle insertion tool. Plus, the manufacturer has thoughtfully included tool replacements in case any of them get damaged over time. And for convenient valve stem setup, the kit comes with a 4-way valve stem tool. What sets this kit apart is its versatility. It doesn't solely focus on puncture holes, it also includes 4 valve stems. This is particularly useful if your tire suffers from a worn-out valve stem, making it an even more valuable addition to your toolkit. To add the finishing touch, it features a blade that allows you to easily trim off any excess plug before inflating the tire and getting back on the road. Weighing in at just 15.5 ounces, this kit is lightweight and won't burden you with unnecessary bulk. Now, while it's worth mentioning that this set does not come with cement glue, it still gets the job done remarkably well. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for those who want a budget-friendly option without compromising on quality. The fourth tire repair kit in our list is the BETOOLL Tire Repair Kit, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. When it comes to tire repair, the BETOOLL kit offers simplicity and ease of use. Right out of the box, you'll find a convenient case that ensures all the tools and accessories remain safe and well organized. Inside, there's a T-handle setter tool designed for effortless insertion of the tire plug. The kit also includes a T-handle cleaning tool that smooths out the sides of the puncture hole, making it easier to insert the plug. With a generous supply of 30 plugs included, you'll have more than enough to tackle any repair job. To assist in the overall process, a wax lubricant is also provided, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. For convenient adjustments, the kit comes with 2 Allen keys, allowing you to loosen and tighten the tools to fit their respective replacement parts. In addition, you'll receive a valve stem puller and 4 replacement valve stems. These extra components come in handy if you encounter a broken valve stem instead of an actual puncture hole. Plus, the kit features 2 rubber repair screws for added versatility. In terms of size, the kit measures 9 by 6 by 2 inches and weighs 1.17 pounds, making it compact and easy to store. Do take note, however, that while the BETOOLL Tire Repair Kit offers excellent functionality, it's important to note 2 limitations. Firstly, the kit does not include a knife, so it's advisable to keep one in your car for cutting off any excess parts of the inserted plug. Secondly, rubber cement is not provided in the kit, which may be required at certain repair stations. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for DIY enthusiasts. It provides all the necessary tools and materials to fix punctures effectively. The third tire repair kit in our list is the Rhino USA Tire Plug Repair Kit, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. This 86-piece set by Rhino USA is a comprehensive kit that comes with everything you need to repair any kind of flat tire. Included in the set are a heavy-duty steel T-handle insert tool to place the plug in a spiral probe for smoothing out the puncture hole's edges. For valve repair, the set also has a 4-in-1 valve core tool, 4 plastic valve extenders, 4 chrome tire valve caps, 4 valve cores, and 4 plastic tire valve caps. Plus, a jar of lubricant is included for easier plug insertion. Our team would also like to highlight that the manufacturer even included a knife for cutting out the excess plug edges, as well as needle nose pliers to help you pull out whatever has punctured your tire. The tools are well built and durable enough to withstand use in various situations and environments. It also comes with a hard green case that holds all the tools needed for effortless storage while making it conveniently portable and easy to carry. And its bright color makes it easily visible just in case you find yourself needing to repair your tires at night. As for the size and weight, the set measures 12.5 by 8.5 by 2.5 inches and weighs 2.86 pounds. Now, one limitation our team finds important to note, however, is that it lacks an instruction manual. This is why we recommend taking a look online and studying how to use every tool. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for home mechanics who need an all-around toolkit to repair various types of tires. The second tire repair kit in our list is the AUTOWN Tire Repair Kit, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. This kit is truly remarkable, boasting a generous 6 to 8 pieces that provide everything you need to tackle tire repair swiftly, typically taking just 5 to 10 minutes. What sets it apart is the exceptional quality of the tire repair tools. Crafted from high-quality steel, they're designed to handle the toughest tires with ease. With the T-handle and spiral probe tool included, you can effortlessly pierce through your tire while enjoying a firm and secure grip. This ensures a safer process, offers excellent turning power, and maximizes comfort, reducing the likelihood of errors. But that's not all. Alongside the impressive range of repair tools, the kit includes 40 self-vulcanization repair plugs. To facilitate the repair process, a jar of lubricant is also provided, making it effortless to access puncture holes. Plus, 2 hex tools are included to easily adjust the repair tools as needed. Now here's where the AUTOWN Tire Repair Kit goes above and beyond. Not only does it address puncture holes, but it also equips you to handle damaged tire valves. The kit includes 4 black extension valves, 4 chrome hex valve caps, 4 plastic valve caps, a 4-in-1 valve core tool, and 4 standard valve cores. As a delightful bonus, the manufacturer has included some extra handy items. You'll find a pair of pliers for hassle-free foreign object removal, a tire or pressure gauge to keep your tires perfectly inflated, a knife for any additional cutting needs, and comprehensive instruction manuals to guide you through the repair process. All of these items are neatly organized and secured in a practical blue hard box, ensuring easy portability and safe storage. Just a heads up, the cutter material seems a bit thin, so be careful when cutting off the access plug to avoid damaging the knife. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for outdoor adventurers. It's great because they can fix tire punctures right away and keep going on their trip instead of having to wait for a tow truck or get a new tire. The best tire repair kit in our list is the Speedy Seal 2, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. This final entry features one of the best and most reliable tire repair kits, the Speedy Seal 2. It includes all the components you'll ever need to repair tubeless radial or cross-ply tires without having to remove the tire from the vehicle or rim. Made from high-quality materials, the tools are extremely durable in order to withstand the toughest tears and punctures. The insertion needle is made from premium-grade spring steel while sporting a curved cast handle for optimum grip. With a whopping 30 plugs included, this kit has you covered for any and all of your plug needs. You'll never have to worry about running out of plugs again. Plus, there's the inclusion of a lubricant which allows for easy insertion of the plugs without excessive force. Just in case you'll have to repair your valve stem, it also comes with 4 valve cores, an entire valve tool, and 4 valve caps. For added convenience, the set includes a pair of pointy-nose pliers, a blade, an Allen key for easy tool adjustment, and a tire pressure gauge. Best of all, thanks to its solid yet portable high-visibility orange case, you'll be able to see this case at night just in case of emergencies. As for the size, the set has dimensions of 13 by 8 by 2.5 inches and weighs 3 pounds. However, we would like to point out that since there is no foam padding inside the case, the tools tend to rattle as you drive, which makes them produce a bit of noise. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for remote travelers. It'll allow them to handle tire punctures and repairs on their own without having to rely on towing services or wait for assistance. And there you have it, folks, our best tire repair kits, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next tire repair kit roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.